Are you ready to trade with us today? Well, most of you are already in some trades I shared because I dropped a trade on here on Telegram. Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. So looking at Bitcoin, give me a second. Let me set up my mic. Yeah, so we made some significant profits on Bitcoin during the weekend. And on weekdays like this, I rarely trade Bitcoin. Okay. On weekdays like this, I rarely trade Bitcoin. So what we have here is a Bitcoin chart. Well, what do you think about Bitcoin? Well, because for me, all what you see here are zones I've drawn, okay, that I'm expecting reaction from. And when you see Bitcoin break a zone like this and close below, man, it means a lot to me because based on my strategy, when price closes below a zone, it means a lot. So right or less for us to catch another buy because I don't sell Bitcoin. All right, I don't sell Bitcoin. I only buy mid zone. Bitcoin is currently in a small mid zone, and these mid zones are also strong. But check price action around here for us to know if Bitcoin will break all the way up or it will resist. Okay, so that's what we have on Bitcoin. All right. We'll get to know a lot from these live sessions. We'll have them regularly, like I promised. Okay. And for those who are not yet subscribers to the channel, don't forget to show some love by subscribing. Okay. Don't forget to show some love by subscribing to the channel. Okay, so first, I want us to take off everything we have in the charts and have a clean chart before us. Okay, so this is gold on the 4 hours. It's gold on 4 hours. What are your thoughts on gold? Is it bullish or bearish? I don't really care right now. I don't give a fuck about what you think right now. What matters most is what we're going to draw out right here. So free your minds and let's roll. Okay, so I just drew out a zone which is around 3,385. Okay, I drew a zone around there. So how do I draw my zones? Let me just mark it out a little wider. If you are not yet part of my Telegram channel, the links are in the description. So just go to the description section and Okay, we are currently on the 4 hours time frame, guys. We're currently on the 4 hours time frame. We're currently on the 4 hours time frame. Yeah. So, looking at what we have here, like I said, if you're not a part of this Telegram channel where I drop free signals, we are currently in a trade as we speak. Okay, and we're making profit. I'll show you the trade later. So here's a powerful zone. Go subscribe to our chat, to our Telegram channel, and the links are in the description. Here's a very powerful zone for you. And I want to mark out another zone, okay? I want to mark out another zone. And if you have friends, just invite your friends to this live. Let's share a little more. And don't forget to maybe subscribe to this channel as well. All right, guys, welcome back. Sorry, I muted my mic. Okay, so invite your friends. Let's subscribe to the channel too. Let our channel grow. And don't forget to also click on the love button. Love this video. Love the video so that it can go viral. All right, guys. So we'll mark out the next zone. All right, we have major zones and minor zones. So we'll mark everything. And some people might call it POIs, points of interest, whatever. Like I said, I don't really give a fuck about what you think or what you say. Right now, if you ask me any question, I'm going to answer you. But what I'm telling you is what I know. So that's why we have this live. So if you have another name to call what I call something else, that's your name, not my name. Okay? All right, so we are actually trending upwards. Gold has been trending upwards for a couple of years. Okay? So let's just go to the weekly. I want us to look at something on the weekly. Gold is actually safe haven. Okay, we consider gold a safe haven. You see, gold has been on this parabolic move for a whole very, very long time. And we get just minor retracements on gold. Very, very minor. For those who are swing traders, I believe you understand what I mean, because when you have one serious position with enough breathing space, gold is always in an uptrend. So you see what we see on the weekly. And if you expect major retracements on gold, you will definitely always miss out on good trades. Okay. So as of now, I think we are still very bullish on gold. Let's go to the daily and see what the price has for us. You see, this is the daily time frame. Guys, invite your friends to this live. Share the video with a couple of friends. I'm not sharing, but I want you guys to share because I'm giving you guys my undivided attention. That's why I'm not sharing. So feel free, share, invite your friends to join us on this live. Like the video, guys. Like the zones I just drew out are major daily zones, and should not be tampered with. Don't play with these zones. They are very solid. And right now, as we speak, we are on one of those major zones. Okay. Price might reject from here all the way to the top. Well, looking at this daily, if you have to use your Fibonacci to know exactly where we are, you realize that we just bounced off the 50% retracement. Well, on gold, on the lower time frame, it's easier to see gold retrace all the way to 61.8. Why not 78.6? But now, on the higher time frame, it's different. Okay, we are currently talking about the daily time frame. Let's just come back. You see that you will hardly get good retracements on gold. You see, gold will retrace 50%, 30%. So that's just it. What I want you to understand is the fact that you should always draw out your zones on this pair. And whenever gold gets around one of your zones, don't hesitate to take action if you have plans to. Okay? As of right now, I'm not giving you any signals, but I'm giving you clues on how to generate your signals. So when you get to a point of interest like this, or to a key zone, a key level, you start looking for trend reversal patterns or trend continuation patterns. Okay? For those who are beginners, who know nothing about forex trading and want to know more, our academy is open for you guys. We have an academy where you can learn how to trade. Okay, so you can always type interested and I will guide you on how you can gain access to our academy. For those who want free signals, you can as well join my free Telegram community. And I have a community I call the Inner Cycle, where we have profitable traders across the globe who have come together and we share signals to you guys. Getting into the Inner Cycle, which is also very, very easy. You don't need to spend your money on us. We don't need your money, guys. The market is giving us ours, so we are not out to extort money from you guys. So what you have to do to gain access to the Inner Cycle is to click the link below. If you check below, you'll see I have FBS, I have XM. I would rather prefer you click on FBS. I have my personal reasons, and I'll be adding another broker one of these days, because one of these days I'm gonna meet with the CEO of that broker and other major uh, shareholders, yeah, to find out if truly it's a trustworthy broker before I bring it up to you guys. You're one of the most loveliest community I've ever had. I love you guys so much because of the love you guys show me as well. Even though you hardly comment on my videos, I still love you because you come and view the videos. So if you're that kind of person who don't always comment on my videos, start commenting, guys. If you're that person if you're the person who has not gone through all my channel to watch my videos, you're missing a lot, because there are so many educative stuffs I've dropped in on this channel. Okay. So secure your space, watch the videos. If you want the Inner Cycle, get it. Whatever you want, just let me know. Okay. So as of now, I think we should be looking for trend reversal patterns around a key level where we are. Yeah. I've taken up my Fibonacci. I had a powerful video with Frank FX and Cyprian FX. If you want to know more about Cyprian FX, you can as well search him on YouTube, Cyprian FX. And he's actually my mentor. You learn a lot from him as well. Subscribe to his channel. And Frank FX is also a blogger and a content creator, a trader as well. So you will definitely learn a lot from him as well. So, guys, looking at the daily time frame, at the 4 hours, sorry, you see there is a powerful bullish candle creating right now, and we still have 2 hours to watch this candle create itself, or to watch this candle form. So if you have to decide based on the 4 hours, then you should wait for the closure. Okay, you should wait for the closure, but it all depends on you. I'm not telling you anything. I'm simply giving you clues, because price is around a key level. And when price is around a key level, it means a lot. It says a lot. Okay? Now, let's go down to the hourly time frame, to 1 hour, to see what's popping, guys, on 1 hour. All right. If we have an engulfing candle on 1 hour, guys, I'm not telling you anything. Okay? I'm not telling you anything. The reason why I'm not telling you anything is because I love you so much. And I want you to think an act. We don't have an engulfing, but the candle we have on 1 hour looks very bullish. Okay, it looks very bullish. So this is what we have on gold. And now, if this level holds, are we expecting price? All right, that's where we draw our next level. Okay, and that's how you should trade. Trade in levels. Know where you are expecting price and what you're expecting to see price do. So here's our next level. I believe you get why I draw it, why I consider it a level. All right, if you follow all my lives, I will actually, I'll definitely tell you along the line why I choose certain places and call them levels. And you'll be impressed, okay? You'll be impressed by your results when you start following them, okay? Yeah. So here's it. Here's what we have. On gold, I'm not telling you anything about gold, guys. But if I were to trade gold right now, I think a trade is cooking up. Let me go to the 50 minutes time frame. Guys, something big is cooking. But I don't have any word to say, okay? Do your analysis, do your top-down analysis to technical analysis, and you'll enjoy this trade on gold, all right? It's going to be powerful. It's going to be massive. So I'm giving you clues right now. Right now. Fellow Messiah. That's the name they called me when I was into music. But right now they call me FelloF because I'm a forex trader. Okay? So we go back to the daily time frame so that we can switch pairs and see. The next pair on the list is USD JPY. USD JPY. I dropped a trade on USD JPY earlier today. So let's see if my guys are making profits or not. Whoa, guys, these guys are making crazy profit. Not just them, oh, I'm also making my own profits. I'm making crazy profits already. And this is not the only pair I'm trading right now. I have a couple of other trades running, okay? You see, I have certain zones drawn out on my chart. And the reason I draw these zones is for me to always stay reminded about my trading style and be able to stay consistent with what I do, you know. So guys, this is the current trade on USD JPY. Okay. So what are your thoughts about this trade? Why do you think I took this trade? I don't think I have to tell you today, but it's not too late for you to sell if you still want to sell USD JPY. This is the 4 hours time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour to see price action on 1 hour. Okay, yeah, it's not late. You can maintain the same stop loss. This trade is a 1:3, so even if you enter here, you might have a 1:2. Okay, so it's not yet bad.